Welcome back, my little pineapples. This is me, Luly Star, right here reporting live from YouTube corner, from my YouTube corner. What's up, my little pineapples? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am super happy because I have a huge announcement, but you need to stay till the end of the video to know what the announcement is. You need to watch this whole video. Also, if you guys want to learn how I created this purple glittery, I think very holiday inspired look to go ice skating, then keep watching. Also, I'm going to be uploading my Christmas vlog every week instead of every day because I don't do Christmas stuff every day. Before you leave this channel, to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Also hit the little notification bell that's next to the subscribe button. And if you're feeling crazy, if you've gone this far, just leave a comment. What's your favorite food of the holidays? Favorite food, so we can, interact with each other. So let's get into it. I'm gonna show you guys how I created this look, so just keep watching. What's up, you guys? So I already moisturized my face. I'm going to prime it with my Angel Veil. I am currently loving this product over here. It's Skin Perfecting Primer. So I'm gonna do that first because today I'm only showing you how to glam the ojos. So it's very important that you prime your face because you want your makeup to last for as long as you're gonna be out, or even longer. And in the pictures, it's gonna look great if you prime it. Otherwise, it's not gonna look as nice. And the makeup will not mess up your skin. Then I'm gonna use this Mana Beauty Simplify Illuminator Glow. And I'm gonna use this before I put on my foundation. And I think I'm supposed to use this after foundation, but I'm gonna use it before. So when I put on my foundation, it's already glowing. It's like this pigmented pink stuff. I'm just gonna put this right here on my cheeks, so on my forehead. So when I put on the foundation, it gives me a nice glow. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna use my LA Pro Concealer to create a base. For your eyebrows, you want to use a flat brush so it's very precise. There you go, like this. And you're supposed to do this after you do your eyebrows, but to me it doesn't really matter because I don't outline my eyebrows, like I just shade them a little bit, so I'm still gonna keep the same shape I have. I don't need to worry about reshaping them or making them thicker, so I could just do it outside of my regular eyebrows, my eyebrows without makeup. Alright, for today's video, I'm going to use my Tristique little pencil. Eyebrows are very tricky because sometimes I want them to look super natural, sometimes I want them to look super thick and bold. So I guess it depends on your mood, how you want to do your eyebrows. Just make sure you don't look as natural as possible. They don't look so fake because that's not a cute look. The Cookie Monster! He's the ill Cookie Monster. I put that little jar there for Christmas, and I'm like, I know who's gonna be eating all these cookies. Not Santa. I'll tell you that much. And then I'm gonna go, oh, sorry guys. I'm gonna go over with my little brow gel from Pretty Little Thing. They sent me in one of my orders. which I thought it was cute because I guess they're advertising their makeup, and it's actually pretty good. I like it a lot. Been using it a lot. Sometimes I use it just by itself because it's tinted, and it's the shade, I think, black. Amelia Night, but it is black. So sometimes I like to use this by itself, like when I'm going to school, because I use BB cream when I go to school. Sometimes I do like dramatic makeup, but when I don't, I just do it like this. All right, so now that the eyebrows are done, that we did our outline, we're gonna go right into the ojos and create our look for today. So for today's video, we're going to be using two palettes. The ultimate favorite, Jaclyn Hill. It's so dirty, look. I've used this a lot. First, I'm gonna start by using the color Silk Cream, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna use this as my base color. Oh, thanks, buddy. We get VIP treatment here. Alright, so this is gonna be our base. We're gonna put this all over the eyelid, leaving a little bit left over here. Your upper eyelid is a little lower than you wish it to be because I slip on the side, and that does not help. You want to bring your makeup a little higher so it pulls your makeup back, like your face. It gives you an instant lift. Concealer buffer. I use it as a blending brush because it's pretty big. I really like how it does my buffing out. Next, I'm going to use the color Chip, and it's this color right here. Pretty dark, but we're just gonna make sure that we smoke it out so it doesn't look as dark, because these colors are very pigmented. Alright guys, welcome back. My camera died and I just kept going. So I'm gonna use the shade that's right underneath Chip. It's called Soda Pop, and with the same brush I'm just gonna apply that on the lower lid like this. And I'm sorry that I continue without you guys, but we're going ice skating, so I gotta speed up the process. So I'm doing this on the lower lid using the same brush because I needed to mix with the top color, so I needed to be buffed and I needed to be blended well, and I feel like this brush does the job. You know what I'm saying? And I like to clean with a clean towel or sheet of paper towel. The brush, when I'm gonna just buff it out because I don't really want product in it, I just wanted to make sure that it's nice blended. Nice and blend. I'm gonna go back with the first one that we used, the Silk Cream, with a smaller blending brush, and I'm going to apply it again on top up here. Just because when we add all these colors, we kind of lose it, and we need it so it looks blended over here, just like so. And now using the first and light color on the palette, and you can use a small flat brush, just so it's more precise. You're gonna go just up here all the way under, right under your brows, your brow bone. And then last but not least, we're gonna use the color Royalty. This color right here, it is, sorry guys, I have my names here because I always forget, is this purple. Look at this purple, so beautiful. So we're gonna use that purple next. For that kind of color, since it's so pigmented, you can either use a flat brush, I recommend, or like I love my little finger because I can really control where I'm gonna put the color. With a brush, you kind of, with the little bristles, you can kind of like splatter all over your ojo, but if you just use your finger, it has a nice shine. And you're just gonna put this right here. And you're just gonna add it to the lower lid. Shine bright like a diamond.
Okay, I'm gonna go get a diamond.
Just like that. Because we want to see that purple, but not so much. Just in the lower lid, just a little bit. And you can do this look with like a black outfit or a white outfit. Don't do it with like a red dress unless you want to be Jessica Rabbit. But I think this look is very, it goes with any look. So I'm liking this look. I'm actually loving the look. But since I'm a super extra person, I'm gonna go with my Moondust by Urban Decay, and I'm going to use the color purple right here, magnetic. And I like this color a lot, so I need a little bit of extra shimmer. So using my other finger. Oh yeah. This is exactly what I needed. All right. Maluma baby. Oh, I love this. Now my look is complete. You can either stop here with the eyes, or you can do an eyeliner and just continue. I don't think I'll be doing eyeliner today. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my face, and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so after I'm done with my face, I'm gonna go back with my palette, and with the same dark chip, I'm gonna use it on my lower lid. Don't forget that you guys always gotta do your lower lid, otherwise this is the look you get. The look is not complete. So always have in mind, you gotta go back. And I'm gonna use a small fluffy brush. And you guys can either just do the eyeliner or just bring it out. I like, because in the inner crease we're gonna use a shiny color, a pearly color. And it's just to highlight the inner corner of our eye. And it does really make a difference. It really does. It defines the eye so well. I just love this. So for the lips, I'm going to use this Whipped Wonder that I got at NYX when I went Black Friday shopping. If I can open it, I haven't used it, so this is my first time using it. Like medium brown. I don't know. I'm nervous. I like the applicator. It's like a little sponge. I guess we gotta squeeze it. Once I squeeze it, it's all over Powder Puff Lippy. Alright, let's see. Da-na-na-na. I'm pressing on it. Don't see anything coming out. I see it. I see it coming through. Look. It's getting dark. I guess if I press it down now, it's coming out. It takes a while, I tell you. I guess I gotta press it. It's taking forever. That's annoying. Scotch powder lip cream. I guess it's supposed to be like this. Lip cream, but I mean, it looks like it's coming out. It's just weird texture. I don't know. I think this is how it is. Okay. Ooh, I like it. Right? I guess I'll wear this one tonight. And I'm not gonna wear anything else on top of it because I want to see how it wears out throughout the evening. And I'm just gonna set my makeup with this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea 4-in-1 Setting Mist primer. I mean, setting powder, setting spray. What the heck? Smells like a medicine. Ah! Looks like I have little white spots, but don't worry, I'll dry. It will dry. So I'm gonna go change and I'll be right back. Alright, my little pineapple, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the little bell button to get notifications every time I upload a video. Also, I have a huge announcement. I was so excited that I hit more than 100 subscribers. I know for some people this is like, oh wow, that's not a lot, but to me this means a lot. It means that there's more than 100 people that like my content and are enjoying what I'm uploading. So I want to do a giveaway. It's not a massive giveaway, but it's my first giveaway and I couldn't wait. I've always wanted to do this since I started my YouTube channel, and I'm like, I can't do a giveaway if I don't have enough people to give something to. So I'm gonna link all the rules, directions to my giveaway down below. So stay posted because I will announce the winner December 22nd, and I'm gonna do overnight shipping to whoever the winner is so they can have their gift on Christmas. And I'm so excited. I can't wait. I hope you guys like this. And it's going to be items that I personally use, and I want you to use them at home. Thank you so much, you guys, for those of you who have been here since day one, and for the new ones, thank you for joining my little YouTube family, and for the family to keep growing. So don't forget, descriptions on the rules will be down below, every product that I mentioned today. And I'm gonna be uploading a blog from today ice skating, so you guys can stay posted to that. And that's all I got for you guys today. So may the best one win, the one with the most luck. Bye.